Before I tell you what this little nugget does, we're going to talk about a problem that is widespread in the water industry, and specifically for the 5-axis kinematics. I made just a small piece of demo part here where you see the lines or the sides are tilted. They run parallel, but they're tilted. And we want these to run straight. So there's some kind of error here. And what this error often is that the nozzle is tilted when the A and B axis or the C and A axis are set to 0. So you can fix this by calibrating it, and that often involves like some kind of feeler gauge where you put this on the machine, you make it touch the nozzle like so basically, and you run the C up and down, and you can measure like how much you run it up and down, how much this gives, and then you can do some kind of math, and it's science basically. For me, we have come up with a new solution to do this, which is called Straighter. It connects with IGEMS Waterjet app, so it's compatible with all controllers out there, and it's super easy to use. Let me show you. Let's put this in a museum and bring in the future, the Straighter. I'm gonna turn it on, so we have like a little switch here with an indicator that says if it's on, if it's connected. We also have a USB-C port for charging, and this fastener, this little knob. This knob should always point away from you when you're doing these tests. So the first step is finding a reference surface, and we're gonna use this one. I'm just gonna clean it, properly, and place this device on the cleaned surface like this, with a knob facing away from you. Then we're gonna bring up the IGEMS app. It's called IGEMS Waterjet, and you can find it in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Looks like this. We're gonna open the app, and the Straighter is right there. Click on this, it's connected automatically. And right now we see these are our values. So we wanna set 0 to reference this surface. What we can do now is take the Straighter, mount it on the nozzle, same direction, having the yellow knob facing away from you. Want it pretty straight. And we see here that the values are not 0. So that shows us, or that tells us that this one is off. Now let me take my new cell phone holder. Hope you can see the values there. And we're just gonna bring the A and B values close to 0. So a little bit of lag here. With that, B, oh, a little bit fast. Like that. Let's bring one more. Here we go. So now we have this thing perpendicular to our reference surface. And in any CNC now, we can reference these A and B values to 0. We can set them to 0, because then we know that this thing has done its job. It's really that simple. Now you can just close the app and start cutting. It's really cool to see what these kind of nuggets can do for you. I mean, of course, they are time saving, but they're also an insurance. If you crash or you see that the head is a little bit off, you can just put this on and reference it within minutes, basically. I know that we did it on the tilter, which is a lot easier to calibrate, but on these Z-axis heads, maybe a technician have to come and do the calibration for you. But now you can just use the Straighter with the IGEMS Waterjet app. You do everything there, and then you just set 0 on the controller. It's that simple. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can buy these stuff, and I think that's it. Catch you in the next one.